Filling in your tax return on the HMRC website can be very complicated. And what happens if you make an error? How are you going to know that your inputs are actually correct? What you can do is use a tax calculator spreadsheet, put all your data into that prior to using the HMRC website, and then it will calculate all your taxes, split it down according to taxes on your income, interest, and dividends, and it will deal with things like pension contributions that you make and rental property income. It's a fully functional spreadsheet, and then you've got all the calculations behind it, so you can step into those if you don't understand them and make sure that you haven't made any errors on your tax return and that you're paying the correct tax. And then for the current tax year, what this tax calculator will do is it will help you around utilizing any allowances that you have. So you can just put in what your income is, all the different types, and then you can say, okay, I'm going to make a contribution to my workplace pension, put some money in, and then just see how much tax you save and how it can maybe keep you out of some of the higher rate tax bands. So this is a great way for tax planning. And then because it's a spreadsheet, you can keep a tab of all of your income every month and it'll just link through. So within one file, you've got all the data that you need for your tax return. The spreadsheet has data for the tax year ending April 2027, April 2026, April 2025 as well. And because the tax bands are fixed until 2031, it should be fairly easy to keep it up to date. There's full instructions with the file and also lots of useful links to HMRC data to help you with the spreadsheet. I'll put a link to the website where you can purchase the tax calculator in the description to this video. It works for England and Wales, but unfortunately not for Scotland.